Wedding season is here, and it's always nice to give the gift of handmade. So today, let's honor the happy couple with a custom-made decorative pillow to commemorate the big day. It's such a special gift, so let's make it. You'll need your Brother Pacesetter PS500 sewing machine, your Pacesetter PS5234 serger, printed photo fabric, coordinating fabric, a zipper, scissors, measuring tape, straight pins, and a pillow form. First, let's talk about the photo printed fabric. You can use store-bought photo fabric paper or send high-res JPEGs to a business who specializes in fabric printing. Next, decide on the size you want to make your pillow and cut the coordinating fabric to fit the size of the pillow form. Next, serge the edges of the printed fabric. Now it's time to sew in the zipper. Lay the photo printed fabric right side up, and with the slider of the zipper open, place the stringer, that's the tape and teeth from one side of an open zipper, zipper side down on the fabric, and pin in place. With the zipper foot on your sewing machine, sew the zipper in place. Do the same with the other side of the zipper on the coordinating piece of fabric. Now lay the fabric pieces right sides together and pin in place. With the zipper open, stitch all the way around the remaining three sides. Clip the corners and turn the pillow cover right side out. Put the new cover over your pillow form and add some extra stuffing to give it a little more fullness and fluff. Zip up the opening of the new pillow and you're finished. And there you have it, a decorative pillow custom made for the newlyweds to have and to hold from this day forward. You can always pair it with a coordinating pillow or even an item from the couple's registry to create the perfect themed gift for the newlyweds.